Hey guys, my new animals collections, beautiful box and other Amazon. So wow, it's beautiful animals figure upon this box. Okay, side this cutting box. Oh, very high packing, guys. Wow, guys, beautiful high packing animals. Oh, monkey, gorilla, beautiful animals. Wow, wow, guys, beautiful. High realistic minifigure animals figure collections. So one by one, open this pouch. Okay, open this pouch. First, oh, monkey, beautiful guys, look, monkey design is amazing. Wow, side this and next guys, gorilla. Wow, black gorilla side and next, oh my god, horse and donkey. Wow guys, amazing figure guys, a donkey design is so nice. And horse guys, red horse, beautiful look guys, red horse, amazing look. So next guys, wow, so open pouch, elephant guys, very nice look guys, elephant side and guys, giraffe. Wow guys, very nice look guys, giraffe. So and the next guys, open this pouch. Okay, cow. Wow guys, very nice look, cow, black, white and ox, amazing guys, look, ox figure side. And next guys, open, so rhinoceros, beautiful look guys, rhinoceros, very nice design. Oh, side and guys, hippopotamus, very nice look, angry hippopotamus. And next guys, okay, open this pouch. Okay, leopard, beautiful guys, color combination is amazing, leopard. And guys, and lion guys, very nice look, lion, look, amazing side. And guys, wow, open this pouch. And guys, chicken, beautiful, red, black guys, chicken, amazing look side this. And guys, duck, beautiful look guys, duck figure, so that side. And guys, next guys, kangaroo, very nice look guys, kangaroo figure, red side. And guys, sheep, yellow sheep guys, very nice look guys, yellow sheep side. And guys, next, snake guys, very nice look guys, snake figure. And next guys, open pouch. And guys, tiger, beautiful tiger side. And guys, open pouch. Wow guys, white bear, polar white bear side. And guys, next figure, horse, very nice look guys, horse design. So next guys, white horse, beautiful look guys, white horse. Wow guys, very nice animals. I like this video.